To build this plane, you will need a glue stick, a pair of scissors, some blue tack, colouring in pencils and a ruler. In the envelope you received, there will be a copy of the instructions and a page of white cardboard which will have all the parts drawn and cut out. You might have to use your scissors to do the final cutting. Each part of the plane has a number and a letter. The number shows the part number, and the R or L after the number shows if the part is glued to the right or left side. The number also indicates the order in which to glue all the parts together. There are the nose pieces, the fuselage pieces, the wing top, the wing bottom, and lastly the tailplane. Look up on the internet the original colours if you want to be true to the original Spitfire, or you can colour it in any way you like. Take your time, do a careful job colouring in the drawing. There is plenty of time. To construct the fuselage, select part 1F. Then glue parts 2R to the right side of F1 and part 2L to the left side. Similarly, do the same again for parts 3 and 4. When you have finished gluing these parts, this is what the fuselage should look like. Select part 7L, part 5L, part 5R, part 7R, and bend the tabs out to the side where the graphics has been drawn upon. Once you have bent the tabs, glue all the remaining parts to the fuselage. Put the glued fuselage aside and let the glue fully dry. While the fuselage is drying, we can assemble the wings. The wing is made up of two parts: the wing top, the wing bottom. Glue the two pieces together and make sure that the top wing has all the markings visible. While the glue has not yet set, we need to give the wing some dihedral. One side of the wing is bent on the center line, and bend the wing up a distance of approximately 12 millimeters at the wing tip. The dihedral is used to give the Spitfire stability when flying. Once everything has dried, slide the wing into the slot on the side of the fuselage and glue the tabs from parts 7R and L to the underside of the wing. Also, maintain the dihedral on the wings, and the angles should be the same on both sides of the fuselage. Similarly, slide the tailplane into the slot at the rear of the fuselage. Glue the tabs of part 5 to the underside surface of the tailplane to keep its position. Once again, let the glue dry before proceeding to the next step. The last thing you need to do before flying is to balance the model. Using a piece of blue tack or plasticine, support the wing near the fuselage, about 15 millimeters from the front of the wing. Add your blue tack to the nose of the aircraft till the model is sitting horizontal or just below, making it a little bit nose heavy. You might need to do some further retuning with the weight on the nose. Try removing some and see the consequences of less weight. Try the reverse by adding more weight. Once you are happy with the balance, take your model outside in a grassy area, and if possible, if there is a breeze, gently throw the model into the breeze. Have fun flying your Supermarine Spitfire.